Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're doing a Harvey Wallbanger. What is a Harvey Wallbanger, you might ask? It is a drink. It comes from Southern California. Supposedly back in the 50s, maybe 60s, I don't really know. And as the story goes, a guy named Tom Harvey, he was a surfer maybe, had a bad meet and went to a bar and ordered basically a vodka and orange juice with a touch, a little Galliano to that. Basically drank so much he got drunk and started banging his head up against the wall. I don't know if that's true, but that's the way the story goes. And I kind of like the story, to be honest with you. Let me show you how to make this drink, guys. Okay guys, we're going to start with just our Collins glass filled with ice. And I'm going to pour about 1.5 ounces of this Kettle 1 vodka. Use the vodka of your choice. If you have fresh squeezed orange juice, that's all the better. But this is what I'm using here, just some Minute Maid orange juice. And we're going to fill up the glass almost to the top. I'm going to leave a little room right there. Alright guys, I'm going to take this bar spoon. I got about 3/4 ounce of this Galliano. It's basically a vanilla liqueur. Some say it has a hint of licorice in there. It's very tasty within this drink, guys. I'm just going to spoon it. Kind of want to float it on top in the glass. Alright guys, we're going to cut this orange wedge here. Thought that was a navel. I was wrong. I'm just going to garnish our drink right there with that. Also going to come in here with this cherry. Get that on in there. Come in with our straw. Use our straw, give that just a little stir, not a whole lot. Want that Galliano floating on top. It will mix into the drink, guys. There you have it, the Harvey Wallbanger. Cheers to you, folks. Tell you what guys, I love that drink. You look at that and you say, well, that's just a screwdriver. Without the Galliano, yes, it's a screwdriver. With the Galliano, it separates it and makes it its own drink, and it has a totally different flavor. Trust me on this when you try it for yourself. Guys, thanks for joining me. One more. It's a great summertime drink, but it's also just a great year-round drink for me. I love it. It stands alone by itself. Guys, thank you for joining me one more time, and we're going to keep doing these drinks. I hope you're enjoying them. And hit that like button for us if you don't mind. It helps us out a lot. Subscribe to us if you haven't already. And hit that bell down there. It notifies you every time I'll post a new video. So guys, thank you again. And we will see you on the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye. Going in for another one here. This is good.